A very good afternoon and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And today we have a very disruptive topic which we need to talk about. Apostle Chiwenga says, vanhu hamufaniri kunge muchiroora vanhu vasiri vanhu vatema kana muri vanhu vatema kana muri varungu, you cannot marry black people. He is actually prohibiting interracial marriages. Let us take a look.
People did not kill anyone in Ezra chapter 9. No. People simply got married to the people or to women of their choice. People just went about, they relocated to Australia, they ended up marrying white people. The white people ended up marrying black people. You see, they said it's all about love. There's nothing wrong with that. But that is not allowed. Yeah. I said it, I don't want to say it again. But it's not allowed. White people should marry among themselves. Zvekuti panoitika interracial marriages, it's not allowed by God. God does not want white people to marry black people. Black people to marry white people. It's not allowed. Because it brings into the world a generation of people whom God had not created. Such people have no origin. Talk about coloreds. What is the origin of colored people? We love them. They are our brothers and sisters. It is not their fault that they were born like that. But they were born in an anomalous setup. You shouldn't think that when we speak like this, there are people that we hate. We don't hate them. We love all the people that are in this world. But we apply standard understanding of scriptural doctrinal principles. And we tell you what is right and what is not right.
So this is a very controversial topic, Team Zimbabwe. And I'm not so sure, the doctrinal position of Apostle Chiwenga on this, but he's saying that it's backed by the scriptures. And he's saying that God does not allow it to happen. So the major question is, if God does not allow it to happen, is it a crime before God? Because we know that maybe homosexuals, they have punishment before God. What about interracial marriages? What is wrong? Because I believe that, or I think God just gave a commandment. You must not sleep with somebody of the same sex with you. Only, I'm not so sure. So we need to help each other as we progress with this topic.
Verse yacho ndeipi, man of God, yekuti ndikawana murungu wangu andondorora ndoramba. I saw Fred achiti kune mumwe mukadzi, muda kuroorwa nemurungu here? Fred aida kuti mukadzi aroorwe nemurungu, iye haana kuroora murungu. Ona utsinye hwainawo. Kune mabhega mustreet muLondon vane ganda rewhite. Who told you that if a person is white, he is rich? There are white beggars in the streets of England. There are white beggars in the streets of North America. Useless African people who embarrass us by saying something like that. That is very embarrassing. When a woman says, I pray for me, I want to be married to a white man, it embarrasses the African people. But men of God and useless women, they are inseparable. Look at all the false churches. Most of the people who talk in those churches are women. Verse 9, Deuteronomy 22 says, thou shalt not sow thy vineyard with diverse seeds, lest the fruit of thy seed which thou hast sown and the fruit of thy vineyard be defiled. Thou shalt not wear a garment of diverse sorts,
as of woolen and linen together.
Leviticus 19 verse 19. Leviticus 19 verse 19. izvezvi, the verse that I have read, it might sound to you that it is talking about farming. If you are a reprobate, you say, but why are you reading a scripture that is talking about farming? Because Deuteronomy 22 says, thou shalt not sow thy vineyard with the diverse seeds. Huh?
You shall keep my statutes. Thou shalt not let thy cattle gender with a diverse kind. Thou shalt not sow thy field with mingled seed, neither shall a garment mingled with of linen and woolen come upon thee.
You see, in your mind right now, you are saying, but this is only about crossbreeding.
And clothes.
Did you see that, brethren? That crossbreeding is against godly commandments.
Yes.
Thou shalt not crossbreed your cattle. Thou shalt not crossbreed. So the crossbreeding here is not a crossbreeding of cattle amongst the different types of cattle. He's talking about crossbreeding of animals, like what they did with the lion and the tiger, to come up with a liger. That's what the scripture is forbidding. Crossbreeding among goats is allowed. Crossbreeding among chickens is allowed. But crossbreeding chickens and pigeons is not allowed by God.
Yes.
Because
So, in my own view, this is where we have to actually ask Apostle Chiwenga to come and explain, because it can't be an issue of humans not allowed to marry each other interracially when you can crossbreed amongst things of the same species. Human beings are human beings, white, yellow, red, blue, green. As long as you are a human being, you are a human being. This is my understanding according to what he's talking about. He is saying crossbreeding across same animals is allowed. What it means is, if you have a white lion and a brown lion, if you crossbreed them, you are going to have a lion. So if you have a white person and a black person, if you crossbreed them, you are going to have a human being. So I believe that is where we must be centered. This is my own opinion, and I'm not so sure your views, your thoughts about this topic, but I believe that it's a very sensitive topic which we need to approach very, very carefully and understand these things as they are. What is the crime of interracial marriages? So the verses is opening, in my own view, they do not work together, or they do not say what he is explaining right here. Let us hear the last part.
Because when a chicken of a different type is crossbred with another chicken of another type, whatever is born is still a chicken. But when you crossbreed a lion and a tiger, whatever comes out is neither a lion nor a tiger.
Yes.
It's neither a lion nor a leopard. You understand? Yes. So crossbreeding of animals is not allowed. You can't crossbreed different animal species. Thou shalt not sow thy field with mingled seed, neither shalt a garment mingled of linen and woolen come upon thee.
So guys, I think I've given you my own views regarding this whole issue, and it's now up to you to tell us your views and your thoughts. What do you really think about what Apostle Chiwenga is teaching? I think this is a topic which must be revisited. And what I know is that a man of God cannot be correct on everything. On this one, I think you will need to revisit this topic so that we get along. The examples he gave and what he said are totally different things. So, huku handizvi kuti mungaiti two different breeds dzehuku, just like two different breeds dzevanhu. We have vanhu vatinavo macolored vari vanhu. We have vanhu vatinavo vanhu vatema, vanhu varungu. These are different types of people. The major question is, are they not human beings? Because you have given an example of a lion and a tiger. A tiger is a tiger, a lion is a lion. It's like a human being and a baboon. You see, a human being cannot crossbreed with a baboon. It's understandable. A human being and a chimpanzee, it's understandable. But if it is a human being to a human being, then I don't see anything wrong. I do not know, guys, your views and your thoughts. I don't want to take much of your time, but let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.